Hi, I'm Sarah Maxwell, and I'm going to show you how to use Livylash Length. Livylash Length is our growth serum. It's step 1 in the Daily Lash Ritual. It's formulated from natural plant extracts that have been clinically proven to stimulate hair growth. One of the ingredients, Nigella sativa extract, contains essential amino acids, the building blocks your lashes need to grow. So Brianna, open up your tube. You'll find our doe-foot applicator. I chose a doe-foot instead of a brush because it acts like a sponge. There's more saturation of product on the tip, but it's less likely to flick you like a brush. And the shape allows you to get right into the root while still covering your existing lashes. So what I want you to do is from the outer corner to the inner corner, I want you to go on top of the lash line, and I want you to swipe all the way across on both sides. Okay. I like to start on the outside of the lash line versus the inner corner. You're going to get more saturation of product on the lashes that we want the longest. Great. So now I want you to flip it, and I want you to work from the outer corner of the lower lash line to the inner corner with the flat side of the doe-foot applicator facing up towards the lashes.
Okay. That makes sense.
There's really no need to dip back in because of the way the applicator is created. You're going to have enough product for both sides. Beautiful. Each product in the Daily Lash Ritual contains a 6-month supply. But if you follow the system properly, you should start seeing results in as little as 2 to 3 weeks. This is the most effective, safe lash growth system I've ever used, and I'm super excited for you guys to try it. If you follow the instructions and stick with it, your natural lashes will be completely transformed.